Today I am making yummy parsnip fries. Now all you need is sea salt, olive oil, and rosemary. Now it's time to lightly peel and chop the parsnips. After you chopped and peel the parsnips, place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Now take the extra virgin olive oil and drizzle about a tablespoon all over the parsnip. Now take 1/4 of a teaspoon of sea salt and sprinkle all over the parsnips. Now sprinkle rosemary all over the parsnips. Now you can take a spoon and mix everything to make sure it is all evenly coated. Alright, so I already preheated the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and you need to bake this for about 20 minutes. Depending on your oven, it may need a little bit of less time or more time. But as long as your parsnips are cooked and crispy, they are ready to eat.